बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Ugly Duckling. On the edge of a beautiful lake, a duck gave birth to ducklings. All the ducklings were cute and lovely except for one, different from the rest, ugly, big, and a bit strange. Everyone made fun of him. Even his mother felt embarrassed. The duckling, feeling sad, went off into the forest. Different animals laughed at him when they saw him, but he didn't give up, and one day, when he saw his reflection in the water, he was amazed. He was no longer the ugly duckling, but had become a beautiful swan. All the birds were astonished by his beauty. The lesson is, never judge someone by their current state. There is beauty in everyone. It just takes time and patience to see it. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.